Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to update a listing's professional media, including photos, floor plan, video link, or a 3D tour link. Find your listing under My Listings, Edit, and then scroll down and you'll see that the photos are located further down. If you click upload photos, you'll see this where you can drag files in here, but you'll also see the existing photos that have already been uploaded and you can reorder them as well. To avoid confusion, we recommend first deleting all of the existing photos in the listing and the floor plan here as well. After that, you can add files from the folder that has been provided to you. So we usually ask our clients, for example, to give us a Dropbox link, for example, or other cloud storage link without a password, where all of their files are included, ideally in the order they want. So for example, the file names are named photo 1, photo 2, photo 3. This way, when you drop all of them in at the same time, they automatically are uploaded in the order that the client wants. So hit add files, upload, and you'll see that because they have been properly labeled by the client in this instance, they automatically go into the order that the client wanted. And then in RealtyMX, there isn't a way to separately upload the floor plan, so we usually just put the floor plan at the very end of the photos. If the client provided a 3D tour link, so for example, a Matterport or Zillow 3D home link for a virtual tour, you can add that here as well. So while you are able to upload a video file here, currently we only accept YouTube links from our clients for listings. So RealtyMX doesn't have a way to insert a video link, for example, a link to YouTube. So in RealtyMX, you can simply ignore that for now. So we've showed you in this video how to delete the old photos and then to upload the new photos and floor plan, which are all done in the same place in RealtyMX, and how to update the virtual tour link if there is one. After which you simply hit submit, okay, and then it's done. Takes a while for the photos to get uploaded and to update. And then you can see that the change has been completed. And you can actually take a look here. For example, view all images, just to make sure that the images are as you wish, along with the floor plan at the very end. And this is how you update your professional media in the REBNY RLS, in this case using RealtyMX.